Hello, I am Darnell. I'm going to be your host for another edition of our Certified Supplier Initiative Dongguan Factory Tour. We're going to be featuring today the factory CHILOKBO Toys Company Limited. We'll be evaluating toys and baby products based on 5 criteria. And these 5 criteria are product safety, safety assurance, specified standards, self-export capability, and social responsibility. And I want you to enjoy today's video, and if you want to know more about the company, you have to stick around. All right, so let's get into it. Follow me. CHILOKBO Toys Company Limited was founded in 2001, and the area is about 30,000 square meters, and they employ about 900 workers in this factory alone. The main products are focused more on children ride-on toys, both battery and non-battery vehicles, and 75% of the sales revenue is coming from outside China. So I guess you're the perfect client that we've been looking for. We're here today in their factory, so let's go around some more. I'm here right now at the assembly line, and like what I mentioned earlier, there's about 900 employees that are actually working here. And behind me is the powerhouse that builds these cars. They only use high quality materials which pass EU ROHS standards. In addition to that, their design patents and utility patents have been registered. This is their assembly line right now, and I'm so amazed. Like, I saw the finished product earlier from the showroom. But as you can see, everything's automated with a powerhouse of 900 employees. There are many different specifications and sizes of plastic inspection machines, such as the biggest that they have is the 2100 T or ton. They have the 1600, the 1500 ton, the 1000 ton, 530 to 700 ton. All these machines aid and can be able to provide up to 550,000 pieces of units. The plastic injection machines all come with automatic kinematics robot, an automatic welding arm, automatic string making machines to realize full automation. As you can see in this video, you'll see that all this automation is taking place in this part of the factory. CHILOKBO always uses the highly quality new materials which could pass the European ROHS standard tests. So now I'm really grateful that they actually invited me over to the showroom, and I have here some products, some of the top of the line products that they already produced. And beside me is one of their new products, which is going to be the McLaren P1. It is a battery operated car, and we're going to be talking more about it later on. And we're going to be inviting a guest as well to give us more insights about the company. But let me just let me just get this in. The new model that we have here, actually, here's just some of the samples. We have like some test reports, all right? Here are the test report certificates. We do have from CNES, this specific model, and here are the certificates. And also they have the CE certification. This is for our European clients. And as well, they have the IETP certification as well. It's a seal of compliance. Now we're gonna get into more of this car, and I'm gonna ask my cameraman to actually check out the insides of the car. Let's go, come on. Let me just showcase the McLaren P1 more. And here's the cool thing about it. That digital display in front gives that cool look. Any child would dream for this car. And it has also MP3 players. You can actually use a micro SD card as well to play some music. It has a USB port here, micro USB port here, and then it also has different speeds. Reverse, park, like an automatic transmission car, like a real car. And for the safety of the kid, if the kid cannot drive this on their own yet, they do have the remote for parents to actually control the car. All right, let's try this bad boy here. Keep in mind, I am an adult. My weight, because of the thorough tests with all their products. Let's see how this goes, okay? That's really cool. So I have forward and backward. Here we go. I can actually go faster. Even an adult would enjoy this motorcycle. Check that out. So, and again, I am going to be inviting somebody to join us later on for our quick interview. All right? So join me, guys. I'm at the quality control department right now, and behind me are the test reports. These test reports are complying with all the international standards, and let me just kind of put more a little bit of detail. We have the EN62115 EMC test reports, ROS reports, PAHS, EN60825, and all that. They also receive certification from CNAS, and only few labs actually get the certification here in China. So speaking of quality control, I'm in one of their facilities right now where they do the tests, and that includes the drop test, transportation simulation, tensile test, function tests, abuse tests, and all sorts of tests. This ensures that even before a consumer receives the product, it follows these standards. Like what I mentioned earlier, that this facility is so massive. That's how big this facility is. We're actually here right now where they do the battery test, the longevity of the battery, the capacity of the battery, ensuring quality. And I want to show something because we're at the research and development department anyway. So right now, they're actually, this is a sneak peek. What they're doing here right now is doing a test of their prototype. And to ensure the child's safety, all sorts of tests are done for each product that they release. So what you're seeing right now, it could be something that you will be seeing in the market soon. I am now here at the Research and Development Department, and this is where the magic happens. It happens from sketches, from the ideas of the experts who are here working for this company, and to the 3D scans, CNC, up to the point where the production model is being made. And I'm here at one of the departments where their designers reside, and behind me is actually their resident designer. And you want to say hi, Alex? To say hi?
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
And let's check out more of the factory, right? So follow me, let's go. Since this facility is huge, and this is the perfect time for me to actually share with you guys, this is the social responsibility. Now, the social responsibility is one of the criteria that we're looking for when we're evaluating companies. Now, CHILOKBO Company Toys Limited actually have all the amenities and facilities as well. Like behind me is actually the park for the families, for the workers to enjoy their stay here. And it is a huge dormitory. It's actually 120 dorms, 6 persons per dorm, and all the amenities included. Not only that, they also have fun here at the CHILOKBO facilities. And behind me is actually a basketball court. If only you could see, they have like 2 more courts over here where they do badminton, they do volleyball, they do basketball. And not only that, even for the kids, they have even playground. All right, joining me right now is Shirley from the International Sales. She'll give us more insights about the company, and I have 2 really good questions for her. And would you like to say hi, Shirley?
Hello.
Yeah, she's from the International Sales. So I just wanted to ask a couple of things for you. And how long has the company been in the business?
20 years.
So 2 decades, that's about, yeah, I'm really bad with math. So 20 years in the business. And I was going around here at the factory knowing that how massive it is. I was already impressed, but knowing it's been in the business for 2 decades, that's really impressive as well. Now, I want to know before we end this video, of course, I want to know from Shirley herself, what are the future plans of this company? Can you share more about that, please?
Yes. In future, we would like to increase the investment of new products, to increase the funds about 20%.
20%.
Yeah, for the new products research and development. Yeah, and second, we would like to enrich the production line to develop more different types of products, which makes the bigger influence of our company brand.
Oh, okay, that's really good to know. And then?
And the third one is that we would like to establish more different sales channels to the online and offlines. Yeah.
I totally understand that, because now with modern times that we have right now, more and more companies are exploring the online channels, you know, to expand, because this is the new norm, this is the future now, right? But anyway, so I really appreciate your time having me here at the factory, and CHILOKBO, right? CHILOKBO Toys Company Limited. Right. Anyway, so if you're interested with the company, please do reach out to them, or you can leave a message to us. All right. It's been a pleasure, and I hope you enjoyed the show. And I'm gonna see you again on the next video. Say bye. Bye to everybody.